Everybody, back for an update on our conversion project on this sunny day. Framing's pretty much done, so I wanted to run you through some of the things going on. We can see walls, we can see ceilings, we can see doorways, so we are looking a lot more like a home than we were just a few short days ago. But one thing I wanted to point out was the flooring. So we are slab-on-grade construction, so concrete's just right on the ground, and we're going to an occupied space. And in order to do that, we need to insulate underneath the flooring. So the way we're going to accomplish that is treated 2x6s to create a raised floor cavity that we're going to then use spray foam to insulate. Some of the bonuses of doing that is we're going to be able to hide a lot of our plumbing in the flooring without having to break up much, if any, of our concrete, which is a bonus. And it also gave us an opportunity to level out the flooring in here because it's a garage. So the flooring sloped pretty significantly to the front of the building. And by building this system and shimming it level, we now have a level floor, so bonus. But one of the issues it can raise is, no pun intended, is that when we raised the floor, we had to raise the man door, and we lost some floor to sill height with our windows. Luckily, when we were looking, we were kind of thinking ahead in that regard, and we don't need to move the windows. We still have 36 inches from floor to sill, so it's exactly the height that we wanted to maintain. Not a big deal to move them, but a cost that we wanted to avoid. But the other issue, like when we're scouting a place, is because we have to raise the floor on these slab-on-grade constructions, you lose ceiling height. So luckily this is a vaulted construction, so we were able to create whatever ceiling we wanted. So again, part of the scouting process that worked in our favor was finding a place like this. But just keep that in mind if you're looking around, because if you're in a flat roofed garage, you're gonna have to raise the floor, like it's a must. So you're gonna lose ceiling height, and the cost of raising up a roof is probably prohibitive. So not something you wanna do. So next steps, we're getting rid of these bay doors. We're going to bust up the concrete a little bit underneath to create a sill for these walls to go on. That's going to be a nice French door there in the main room. This is going to be a nice 4x6 window in the bedroom. And then we got to move this panel into the mezzanine storage, where we're going to have a little storage closet there for the panel and for our water heater. So yeah, this is where we're going to be in the kitchen in the future, looking out into that nice backyard. So pretty excited to see it all getting done. I'll keep you updated as we go, and I'll talk to you again. Bye.